morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Sweet Willy's Kitchen. Hope everybody's doing well as always. And as you probably would think, we have another knife video. Our friends at HOSHANHO and the Loom series liked the fillet video, and they offered to send me another knife. And in true fashion, what we want to do here in the kitchen is have a number of knives that are, I guess best put, multi-purpose. Okay, and this is the case too, where we're going to do a demonstration of a serrated bread knife. Okay, the Loom series, once again, these are the knives that have that nice weight to them. This one comes in at 220 grams. And in fact, it is 10% heavier than a knife that is, well, in this case, twice as much. So we've got a good balance, good handle, stainless steel, 8-inch blade, 13 inches overall, stainless steel, the wood handle. And again, I can't say enough about this brand as far as the weighting as it feels in the hand, the way the handle is curved to fit your fingers. It's comfortable, and because a good handle means it's safe. And as you can tell, we've got a nice edge on this thing. Okay, and there's your serrated knife. So again, overall, anything that you'd need for, the home cook, perfect for your knife collection, and just an overall go-to knife. I can't say enough about this. But let me clean this off. We'll do a demonstration. It's not just for bread. Okay, we're back. Knife's all cleaned up, ready to go. So these are readily available on Amazon. I'll have the link to the knife down below. Again, it's a great piece of goods, and probably get into this for under $50, so well worth it. So again, I've got some day-old bread. I sound like the Ron Popeil guy that used to do the but here we go. So we just got a nice good bread knife, and we can cut that down to, well, see how thin we can get this. That's pretty thin. That's right up there on the Melba toast, so it does a great job with that. Okay, you'd use this if you were doing bruschetta or so. So this is a heavy knife. This is a strong knife, and it's an effective knife. But the other thing that's important is not just for bread, but one thing I've noticed is with things like tomatoes, okay, that has a relatively smooth skin and can get kind of thick. And sometimes, if we're using a regular chef's knife, which is non-serrated, sometimes we can't get through it all the time, especially if you're using a knife that you don't keep sharp or what have you. So in a pinch or so, the serrated knife will do just fine. We start it, we draw it back, and that'll give a nice slice there. So that's as good as you're gonna get. If you were doing cold cuts, pepperoni or so, okay, you want a little more extra oomph with the serrated to keep it steady. There you go. And of course, peppers. These give you a little bit of these can give you a bit of a fight as well. But again, we start and just draw it back. You can get these things pretty thin or as thick as you want. So there you go. So again, I can't say enough about this brand. Okay, HOSHANHO. It's available on Amazon. We'll have the link below. And one of the coolest things about this is the Loom series, and I'm going to read this off. It's off the back. Is the Loom is a symbol of happiness and success in Eastern countries. Loom series represents the best wishes to our customers. That's good. And home cooks is a great profession and cooking is a happy activity, and I hope it is for all of you. HOSHANHO specializes in producing knives, help you achieve family happiness and career brilliance. And I'm sure there's translations going on, but I'll tell you, the sentiments are great. All right, cooking is a happy activity, a time for the family to get together, enjoy each other's company, and be able to create a meal is a wonderful thing. It's a very happy activity. So again, HOSHANHO 8-inch serrated bread knife, 10% heavier than knives that are costing sometimes twice, maybe 3 times as much. Versatile for bread, tomatoes, cold cuts, and other vegetables. So I hope you consider it down the road. I'll put the link down. And I wish you all well, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.